Okay, so in this second video, I have assumed that somebody don't have a Gmail and somebody don't have a YouTube, so I'm going to create a script. This is like a second video, a second step that you need to do if you are new completely, right? So if you don't have from the Gmail, you come here, or you don't want to use any of these email, you create an account. You got sign here. Okay, say use another account, and then instead of just do any of these ones, I say create a new account. I will say for myself, okay, and then I will click. I will just say Marshall, and I'll put Zima, and I will just put create an email, say CPA DM earning, okay, at gmail.com. right? So then I create a password for this Gmail. Make sure you confirm. All right, and then I just got the next, and it's asking me the number, so I'm gonna hide this number in editing. So, but you know, because it's my private number, so let me just put okay, and then I'm gonna hide obviously this date of birth, because you have to put this date of birth as well. All right, so I'm just gonna put and I select that. All right, I'm gonna just save it just for now. Again, this is what I do for testing. And it's asking me for the code. Right. Just put the code. And verify. Okay, yes, I'm in. So you can see I signed the terms and condition. Save my YouTube history, my Google. Yeah, I don't mind. I don't want any of that. I sign that. I create the accounts. Okay, it's as simple as that. Few minutes, you can see that I have created a Gmail account. You can see CPA, DM earning, and then I just put Gmail. All right. So now I've created a Gmail. Now let's have a look how I can create a YouTube account. Let me just close this YouTube account. So you go to here, youtube.com. Okay, so you got youtube.com. So I will just log out from this account, and I will just get switch, and then I will just put another one. So I've got this email here. So the email I just created, because YouTube belongs to Google, so it just straight away you know, linked it to my you know, to that, like a YouTube. So I can, here you can see here on your right, you click on, not right click, you click on this email, you see here that says create a channel. So I just said, no thanks, I don't want to do that. I just want to create my channel, right? I just create a channel. Okay, maybe let me just do it. And then here it's asking you to do use your name or use a customer name. So I will just use a custom name. Okay, use a custom name, and I will just say DM CPA. All right, DM CPA. Marshall DMCPA. Okay, and I just click create. Okay, let's have a look. Again, you can see how long it takes. It doesn't take long at all. It says, nice work. Your channel Marshall DMCPA has been created. Okay. Now I can upload a picture if I want. I can do later on, but it's not very important at the moment for this one. Okay. Tell viewer about your channel. So I'm just gonna put a little bit description again. This is the description of the channel, but the video will have a description as well, each video we upload. So I can put here, this is a channel where we will be showing you lots of promo for holidays, destinations, and other deals you can't resist. Okay, this is my description of my channel. All right, so that's it. So you can see, you can write up, you can edit this one again afterwards. So it's asking you if you want to add links, you can, etc, etc. So here I might be able to add my digital data mining link from our API Academy and you know, tools, partners tools. You find it there, and then I just say I will change this later, and I will just put save and continue. All right, and that's it. I have created a YouTube channel. I have created a Gmail account from scratch and a YouTube channel from scratch. Now, the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do the task, how you can upload the video. Okay, speak soon.